What's up everybody, Matt here at Wunderlich America, and today we're going to look at the pannier top racks for the RT series. Luggage space. It's always an issue no matter what bike you own really. You want to be able to maintain the sleek look of your machine, but also get the most out of the space that you do have. I think we might have something that'll work for you with these racks here. Let's check them out. The pannier top racks will give you that much needed space by giving you the ability to strap down some extra gear right on top of the side cases without interfering with the bags themselves. Made of high quality steel and precisely welded, these racks will ensure a secure mounting location for some extra goods, but also complement the lines of the bike to still give you that look that you desire. This kit will mount onto the original brackets for the Vario cases easily and securely using a few simple hand tools in the garage with no drilling required and no interference with the side cases. These will fit the 2014 to 2018 1200 RTs and the 2019 and 2020 1250s. This rack can be paired with our top case rack and elephant top case bag as well, with both rack systems available in chrome, silver, and black. But as always with all of our Wunderlich products, if you can hop on over to our website, enter your year and model into the bike finder, and scroll through our long list of parts to see what we have available for you. But as always, if you have any questions, feel free to give us a call at 828-489-3747 or shoot us an email at info@wunderlichamerica.com. And while you're at it, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can stay up to speed on all of our future videos as soon as they hit the channel. Let us help you complete your BMW. I'm Matt. Thanks so much for watching and enjoy the ride.